Good morning, my friends. Now I am showing you a beautiful album on the yellow breasted green pigeon. The Bengali name, the Bengali name is Hariali Pakhi. There, in search of the ripe plum, the winter season's beautiful video. Enjoy, my friends. The lovely bird are playing and in search of ripe plum early in the morning, just now. Enjoy, my friends, and subscribe my small channel. Please keep patience to see the total video without any hesitation, and like, comment and share, please. I think this will be very amazing for you. You have ever seen such that video. Enjoy and subscribe my channel. My channel is very small channel.